Hello everyone, this is Himanshu from Damifin. So, today we are going to do something different. Today I will open the Pokemon TCG packs or Pokemon booster packs from the Mega Evolution or Evolution XY series. So, first of all, I want to tell you guys, I don't know if these packs are real or duplicate. So, here are the cards. As you can see, I have purchased them from a local shop in my area, so I don't know if these are real or duplicate. If you guys know if they are real or duplicate, write down in comments, and you also write down your reason why you think they are real or why you think they are duplicate. So I'm going to open these 12 Pokemon booster packs. So let's get started. Okay, so here is our first pack. Let's see what we get from it. Okay, so this was a little tough and we got our Pokemon cards. Let's see what we got there. Let's see. First of all, we got a Groudon. Next, a Mega Latios, a Mega Rayquaza, a Toxicroak, a Mega Mewtwo Y, a Lugia, Gengar, and a Gridina. So these were the cards that I got from this pack. I will place them different from these others. Let's open the second pack. From the cards that I have got, the chances of them being duplicate are high, but I want to know from you guys, what do you think? And next, I have got a Mewtwo, a Shaymin, a Thundurus, Volcanion, a Mega Rayquaza, Sceptile, Deoxys, and a Mega Latias. Let's open our third pack. Let's see, a Mewtwo, Shaymin, Thundurus, Volcanion, Mega Rayquaza, Deoxys, and Latias. Let's open the next one. A Lucario, Rayquaza, another one Rayquaza, Hydreigon, Thundurus, and Kyogre. I would really appreciate them if you guys comment me in the box why do you think these are real or duplicate. The quality of the plastic cover pack tells them that they are different or duplicate, but I hope I am wrong. And here is our Ampharos, Sceptile, Kyurem, Primal Groudon, Kyurem, Ampharos, Hoopa, Macha. Next one is, let's see what will we get. A Mewtwo, Shaymin, Thundurus, Volcanion, Mega Rayquaza, Mega Sceptile, Deoxys, and a Latios. So I got a lot of cards that are duplicates, or I got them before. Let's see. Mega Rayquaza, Mega Sceptile, Deoxys, Latias, Virizion, Galad, Mega Latias, and another one Rayquaza. Let's open the next one. So Mewtwo, Kyurem Black, or Kyurem White, Rayquaza, Thunderous, Charizard, Mega Galad, Volcanion, and Mega Heracross. Let's open the next pack. Giratina, Galad, Latias, Mega Ampharos, Rayquaza, Kyurem, Reshiram, Groudon Primal, and a Mewtwo. Let's open the next one. Giratina, Lugia, Kyogre, Thunderous, Kyogre, Primal Kyogre, and a Groudon. Only 2 packs are left. Let's see which one we get from them. Virizion, Galad, Mega Latios, Rayquaza, Lugia, Primal Kyogre, Lucario, and a Rayquaza. And this is the final pack. Let's see what we get from it. A Tyranitar, Mega Tyranitar, Giratina, Galad, Xenorous, wow, Rayquaza, a Holo, Ampharos, and Sceptile. So these were the cards that I got from these boxes. I really appreciate if you guys tell me why they are duplicate or why they are real. So this is my first time doing a video on how to open or opening of a booster pack. I really appreciate your help. So these were the cool cards that I got from this box or booster packs. Even if they are duplicate, I will still appreciate them because they are nice or awesome looking. As you can see this card. So thanks for watching guys. I really hope you like this video. If you like, then give a like or thumbs up. And see you next time. Bye bye.